We now know the 17-year-old who police say opened fire on them in January was let go by the juvenile court system 3 months prior. We obtained the order that lifted his arrest warrant in October for a felony of the first degree. Only the magistrate signed the order. Lines for the prosecuting and defense attorneys are blank.
These things aren't supposed to happen in the shadows.
Robert Barnhart is an associate professor at Capital University Law School, a former prosecutor and defense attorney.
I don't think it's controversial to say you don't want things like this, where we don't even know who was involved. That doesn't make sense. That's not how court's supposed to work.
Prosecutor Shayla Favor's office stated they were not aware at the time that the warrant was set aside. According to the court, the order was signed by a magistrate at the request of both prosecution and defense.
When you have conflicting information from these two entities, is that a concern?
Yeah, that's a big concern.
Would you be extremely surprised if this is not under review?
Yeah, it absolutely, I would be very surprised if it's not under review.
Barnhart says internal investigations could lead to tightening up procedures for the courts and not leaving signature lines blank to ensure accountability. And if the public demands more,
what can the community do to make sure this doesn't happen again?
Vote in judicial races, pay attention to your judicial candidates.